The purpose of life is to worship the Creator and follow His guidance. Islam encourages questioning and seeking evidence for one's beliefs. A true Muslim should be a source of mercy and compassion for all living beings. In Islam, there is no compulsion in religion. People should be free to choose their faith. Knowledge is the best tool to remove misconceptions and bridge gaps between cultures. Islam promotes unity among people, regardless of their race or ethnicity. As Muslims, our duty is to call people towards the truth with wisdom and beautiful preaching. Terrorism has no religion, and it should never be associated with Islam or any other faith. Muslims should be at the forefront of spreading peace and harmony in the world. Islam encourages seeking knowledge from cradle to grave. The Quran is the most positive book in the world. It eliminates the racial problem. To maintain peace and justice, sometimes you have to fight. One of the biggest misconceptions about Islam is that it oppresses women. If you want to judge Islam, judge it by its best and not by its worst. The best Muslim is he from whose tongue and hands mankind is safe. To understand Islam, study not the Muslims but Islam itself. A true Muslim should be a fundamentalist in the sense that he should follow the fundamentals of the religion. I'm not promoting the idea of religions for peace, but rather peace for all religions. Don't judge any religion by the followers, but judge by the authentic sources. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.